G'day, that slot car guy here. So today's video is going to be completely different to what I normally do. It's an unboxing, but it's nothing to do with slot cars. There's going to be a brief history about what I used to do prior to slot cars, but in this box is a gift from a legend within the Hot Wheels community, and that is Mike Zarnock. If you don't know who Mike Zarnock is, stick around, but as you can see, wearing his t-shirt, very excited. So let's unbox and have a chat about the legend himself. Welcome back to another unboxing, and as I said in the intro, this one is completely different to what I normally do. It has nothing to do with slot cars, and here's the reason why. Prior to being at that slot car guy on Instagram, I was at that die-cast car guy, and what I used to do is collect die-cast cars, Matchbox, Hot Wheels, Tommy car, Greenlight, Measuretta, you name it, loose, packeted, rare stuff. That was what I loved doing. I went to flea markets, vintage shops, still was collecting slot cars, but that wasn't my main focus. During my die-cast car collection time, I made some great friends, and I've still kept those friends to this day and I still stay in that hobby because I do buy some stuff. But I decided to go down the slot car route because I like playing with the cars, racing them. Yes, you can race the Matchbox and the Hot Wheels, but the slot cars really was my thing. I loved it, and that's when I started collecting and doing what I'm doing now. During my die-cast car time, and again I still do it a little bit now, I met the legend himself, and what I mean met, not physically, I made good friends with the legend himself, Mike Zarnock. Now if you don't know who he is, he's a Hot Wheels historian, an absolute gentleman of the hobby. He's got Hot Wheels TV, which is going great guns, 20,000+ subscribers. He had a display at the Children's Museum in Utica in New York with all his, well not all of it, but a lot of his great collection, which is where these t-shirts are from. Yes, I'm wearing his t-shirt, and the reason why, because he sent me a nice little box today. Mike, you're an absolute legend and a great friend. And when I say friend, if I want to speak to Mike in a private message, he's happy to speak with you. He was lime tree with me, but he'll speak with everyone. He's the nicest guy that I've never physically met, but always kept a great relationship with him. So today's unboxing is a gift from him, and I had to share it. Now yes, I'm wearing the t-shirt, so thank you Mike, love this t-shirt, and also check out his YouTube channel. I'm going to put the link in, and it's the most watched Hot Wheels TV / YouTube channel because the guy knows his stuff. He's an absolute legend. Check him out, Google him. There's a lot more information I can give about him, but Google him, you'll be there for hours. Now, he's also sent a matching t-shirt for my son. And yes, he will be wearing this. So thanks, Mike. I might actually get my son on the video one day and we'll both be wearing this side by side. So thank you, mate. It keeps going. He's then sent me his drag car, the Altered Roadster. Now, if you don't know what this car is, there is a Hot Wheels made of his actual car, and here it is right here. So that's very cool, Mike. Love Hot Wheels logo. Got your car, mate. I love that. This I will wear in videos, but this stuff I will cherish because he's an absolute legend. And he's also sent me some little gifts. Now we'll start off with the smalls, and this is cool. So if you're not familiar with Hot Wheels, this is a piece of Hot Wheels track, iconic orange, and Mike signed and put his TV logo on that. So that's going to go, as we say in Australia, straight to the pool room. So that's going in the pool room. Excellent. Also sent me hand signed sticker of his actual car, and obviously the Hot Wheels and his name signed by him, as you can see in text up the top. So thank you, Mike. Again, will not be using that sticker. That'll be staying in my collection. And if you're watching him on YouTube, that's his YouTube logo channel. Again, signed. So mate, thank you very much. This won't be going anywhere other than to my pool room. I don't have a pool room, but that's what we say. Here's the kicker. Now, I didn't expect this, and this is a 1 of 10. Now, I'm going to read what it says first before I show it. So this is commemorating 10 years of Hot Wheels TV, February 14, 2011 to 2021. So 10 years. It started February 14. Now, this car here is Hot Wheels Highway Hauler, and this is a 1 of 10 Mike Zarnock special in yellow. 1 of 10. Now, if you're a collector of anything, I'm extremely lucky to have this in my collection. And like I said, I still do collect some die-cast cars, so this is my grail piece. So thank you, mate. Really appreciate it. I'm going to read the blurb on the back because it's worth reading. He's got a nice little blurb on the back, and there's his cool picture. I love that picture. Hot Wheels TV started with its first official episode, released on February 14, 2011, showcasing the February Kmart Hot Wheels Collectors event. We don't have that here, unfortunately, in Australia. It would be great if we did. As with everything else we do, it was never our intent for it to become what it is today. One of the most watched Hot Wheels channels on YouTube, and it is. Jump over and have a look. Again, I'm going to link it in. It's great. He does unboxings. He's got some videos of his old display stuff at the Children's Hospital, which is it a museum or hospital? Children's Museum, sorry. I don't believe that's no longer there. There's a video of him tearing it down, so I believe all that stuff's back at home. But, mate, congratulations on your 10 years. Thank you for this Hot Wheels Highway Hauler 1 of 10. I don't know who the other 9 is, but I'm happy to have this one. So thank you, Mike. Again, at That Slot Car Guy, just a quick little unboxing of a special gift I got from a great friend. We'll turn back to slot cars soon, but I had to do a video. So Mikey, thank you, mate. I appreciate it. Please check out his channel. He doesn't need my support because he's killing it, but if I can do anything to help, I will. So, mate, take care. Thank you, guys. Again, at That Slot Car Guys. Cheers. Ciao. Be safe.